BeCozi.net is here. BeCozi.net and BeCozi.com is an American website with the biggest collection of chunky yarns for hand knitting. Today we will be making a pizza heart. On Sunday is National Pizza Day, and next Friday is Valentine's Day. So this is a combination of those who love pizza, and you're giving your heart as a pizza. So pizza heart, I have two over here. I will be using the pre-made heart. I'll put a link underneath this video where you can click and get a video where I'm showing how to make this heart pillow. And when you have it ready, I will show you today how to make it into a pizza. So we're not making it today. The video for the heart is underneath. So this is our yellow color, and to make it into a pizza, I will be using our Cane Red in sparkly yarn, but we have it in regular yarn too. And heart is made with our yellow. And for the crust, you can use either taupe color or tan color. This is our tan. I actually used cappuccino, so one of those that look like a crust. For the inside, I'm using this heart pillow insert. Those are available on our website too. You can go to BeCozi.net and click on accessories, and then you will see the pillow inserts. And this one is 12 inches. So let's get started. Okay, guys, so here is the heart. And again, the video where I'm showing how to make this heart, I put a link underneath this video. You can click on it and you can get that video. So now we will transform this heart into the pizza heart. So the pizza heart will stay here. So we will start with red, and I will first put a link, like a line of red around. Why I will do it? Because it looks like tomato sauce, okay? If you don't have it, it will look different, but I think it's good to have that. So I will burn the end of the red color. I will place the heart in front of me, and I will start from the bottom, where the bottom of the heart. We will be using like the side of the heart, okay? So find a stitch, insert your finger, grab red yarn, and pull it out. So here you just made the first stitch. Now, make sure that you're staying on the side, not going out, up front or on the back, and then find another stitch and grab it and pull it out. So now you have two stitches. Now this first stitch goes on the top of the second, like that. So then find next stitch, pull it out, and this one goes on the top, or this one goes inside. So like that. So you're literally just creating a line of red on the side, and you can go the next stitch, not over here, a little bit farther, the next stitch. And that's what I will be doing to create this red line around, all the way around. So I will keep making it. Actually, I want to show you when I am in between of the over here. So let's go here. Again, try to have it on the side. See, they have beautiful red line. And if you see, I don't know if you can see it in the video easily, I am using the red yarn with sparkles. This is our Candy Cane Red with sparkles. I just had leftover of this yarn, so I decided to use it. You can use any red you have, we have candy cane red in regular chunky chenille yarn, and we have it in sparkly. So here we are. See, we are moving around, and then when you're here in the between of the top parts, go underneath, grab yarn, and the same way you're kind of just trying to go a little bit inside of the heart, and then you're going out again. Here we are. See, beautiful transition here. Okay, so I will keep doing it all the way over here and over here, and then I will come back and I will show you how I will do the bottom. Okay, guys, I went all the way around the heart. See, now I'm on the bottom, so now I need to close this gap. So I will make another knot, put the yarn in, and then what I will do, I will go inside this last stitch, grab this working yarn, pull it out, and put it in the last stitch here. Okay, so now to connect it nicely, you will go in the same stitch, this tail, like that. See, now it's connected nicely. You don't see the connection. Go on the back, make a knot, and then hide the tail inside. So red part is done. This is how it looks on the other side. This is the front side. And what we will do now, we will add some pepperoni. So what I am doing usually, I am placing the yarn like that, cut pieces, I don't know what, 10 inches, and you can make as many as you want. I'm just making this. So then take them and I will burn the ends to prevent unraveling. Be careful doing it like that because it's a lot of yarn. It can start burning fast. There you go. So what are we doing now? Now we are making pepperoni. So anywhere you want, find the stitch. Then I will go underneath and I will put the end in front, not in front, across the stitch, and take it out of the same hole here, okay? Like that. And then this end will go inside again, the same spot, because one piece of yarn would not be enough. And then you can actually make a knot with two ends underneath, or take it out, make a knot, and then stick it in, like I will show you. And I'm just showing you in kind of faster version. So here you can connect it in a knot and then hide it like that, and then just spread. Here we go. Yeah, little piece of pepperoni. So then we can put one over here. And again, you can tie it into a knot. I'm just showing you the first version. Here you go. 1, 2, and here's will be 3. The goal is here to have it in the same opening on the stitch, because then it will be looking better than if you do it in the next stitch. Okay, so 2 more. One over here and one on the right. So now when we have our pepperoni pieces, we will add the crust around, okay? For the crust, I will use our 10 color. I guess it look good. and it looks more like crust. Let's see. Okay, stuck. Doesn't want to go. Okay, here we are. The same opening and then back. Okay, our pepperoni are ready. Here we are. Okay, so now let's take our taupe color, right the end, and I will start in the same area over here on the bottom. We will be hand crocheting it, okay, guys? It will be, I am doing it. You can do the same way, hand knitting, like here. I think hand crocheting is better. So you're going on the very edge, insert the yarn and make first loop, then go inside the second one and make second loop. Then take these two stitches together, grab working yarn and pull it through. Then go inside the next stitch, create next stitch. This one is still on your hand. Now you have two stitches, grab working yarn, pull it through. And then see, I'm using this top part of the stitch, not the bottom, because I'm keeping this line visible. So two stitches, grab working yarn, go through, next. And this way, we will go all the way around our pillow heart, pizza heart. So I will go all the way around and then I will come back and I will show you how I will finish it on the bottom. Okay, guys, we are done with our crust all the way around. Now we're on the bottom here, and I will make another stitch here. We have two crochet. So now we can cut the yarn. I will burn the end. Now this end goes inside the last stitch, and we are done. And now the tail goes inside the stitch on the left, like that. Here we are. Now I will go around and underneath, kind of trying to hide it, like this. And then we go on the bottom. You have two pieces, where you started and where you finished. Make a knot. And either cut the ends or hide them inside the pillow. I will cut them. Here, close to the, here you go. So this is the back of the pillow, and this is the front. So here we are. Pizza Heart, yarn is at BeCozi.net. Stay warm and BeCozi. Hey guys, Larissa with BeCozi.net is here. I would like to introduce my hand knitting book. The book was published in September 21, and recently it was also published with the Christian Publishing Agency. It's available on our website and also available on Amazon. This is the only book on hand knitting on the craft market. It's extremely unique and very beautiful book explaining hand knitting, giving you a history of our company, how hand knitting was born, and then it also gives you a few patterns, simple patterns with a very detailed pictures how to make every single step on the way. Go to the link underneath this video and purchase this book, and let's hand knit.